Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Google Play Store and confirming which Google account you'll use. This matters because purchase and install histories are tied to account identity. Once the store loads, tap the profile icon at the top right or the three-line menu to reveal account options. Make sure you're on the right account. If not, switch now. This first step ensures the history you'll retrieve matches the purchases and installs you expect, preventing confusion later. Once done, tap Manage Apps and Device, then choose Manage or the Installed/Library tabs to see current and past apps associated with that account. You'll often find a Library or Not Installed section that lists apps you once downloaded but removed. This is your historical log. Make sure to use filters and sort options, Installed, Not Installed, Alphabetical, or Last Updated, because they reveal different slices of your activity. If you need purchase receipts, check Payments and Subscriptions next. To finish, inspect Payments and Subscriptions, then Order History to confirm paid app purchases. This differentiates free installs from bought items. If an expected app is missing, make sure Family Library Settings or another Google account didn't own it, and review Play Protect for blocked apps. If history or sync looks wrong, sign out and sign back in, reboot the device, and clear the Play Store cache and storage. These steps force sync and usually resolve stale or missing records.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.